Hi, everybody. Now, I just want to go deep into what this love is and what it happens to the person. With some experience and or whatever I have seen, I could tell you this. There are many that we come across quotes or things that have been told online saying, find peace within your partner. But to me, honestly, I feel that it's not about finding a partner to find peace for yourself. Peace for yourself cannot be brought about by another. You need to find peace for yourself. Nobody else can do it for you. This is what I honestly and truly believe. Because the moment you try to find peace through another, that is where the trouble would begin. Because by trying to do so, you're trying to find happiness for yourself by changing another. Isn't it? You want that other partner to come towards your ideology. That's where the trouble truly begins. Chaos comes in line. Learn to identify your partner as an individual. You have an attraction towards a person. You fall in love. You get to know how that person is. If that person is not according to what you believe you want in a relationship, you should be able to walk away from that instead of pulling that person deep into the waters with you. Your sorrow or your sadness, which is, I would say, so unfair towards the other, isn't it? But you fall in love again. Again, I'm saying you fall in love and you see that she or he aligns with you. Then all the more better. But as you go on, you should always keep in mind, recognize that individual as an individual and know the fact that you are an individual yourself and she or he is another herself or himself. You can't combine both. You need to respect the other. And when you respect the other, he or she will respect you. In that process, you will have your space and you will learn to understand that individual and give him or her their space. When you give each other your space, you learn to focus on what is important for you. Your work, your hobbies, and everything else, and this will in return be a healthy relationship. That's how you need to not be too attached, but have your detachment, but love unconditionally. As I go on, I will explain that further for you, because I notice that in love affairs, there's more chaos than peace. So let's meet again for another series on that.